When Hank heard of this, he was so mad that Vladimir puffed away into a shed so he didn't have to face what Hank was doing. He thought Hank's roof would blow right off his cab, and all the coal on his tender would spill over. But Hank, his face turned redder than James's paintwork, and he raced away to hide. But then, as he was puffing away, he noticed something. What if we humiliate one of the other engines? Yeah, that'd be perfect. I'm gonna go tell Vladimir. Vladimir, where are you? Oh. Well, there you are. How did you find me? Well, you have a giant snowplow with your name on it. Oh, yeah. Well, what did you come to talk to me about? Well, you know how we've been humiliated. Yes. So let's just direct attention away. How are we going to do that? Well... And soon he came up with a plan. Thomas was pulling coal cars over to the town. He was using 2 brake vans because he didn't want to fly off the rails because of the ice. He saw Vladimir and shouted, "Hey, what's up, no face? And hey, waterboard." I'm sure glad I'm not you two. But then, Thomason didn't want to become him either. Lorry 1 was stuck on the rails. Lorry was in great distress, and on cue, he said, "You burst my wheel! You've destroyed my engine! I'm sorry, Lord. I mean, I didn't... Lorry killer." It worked, Hank. Yes, it did. Now, the attention will be shot at Thomas. Come on. Let's go see what happens. When Thomas puffed into the shed that night, they all said, "So, what are you going to kill next? Your best friend Bertie or Percy? Who next, Thomas?" "Yeah, lorry killer." It's worked. Vladimir. Yes? No one has even noticed us. Really? Yeah, come on. Then, as soon as they saw Vladimir's ginormous snowplow, they all laughed and said, "Hey, look, it's No Face. Hey, how's it going?" Looks like it didn't work, Hank. I'm sorry. Hey, waterboard's here too! Oh, what's the matter, Vladimir? Are you gonna cry? But wait, you don't even have a face! Vladimir chuffed ever so sadly down the track. "Hey, said a voice. Who's there? It's me, Stanley. What? You about to call me no-face like the rest of them? No. In fact, I want to help you and Hank. Vladimir nearly burst backwards at this. Really? Yes. I think what the other engines are doing to you is wrong, and I want to help out. Thanks, Stanley. You're welcome, Vladimir. Now, what should we do? Hang on, said Vladimir, and he looked over at Scruffy. What? What are you doing? Scruffy, we got a proposition for you. Alright, Vladimir, let's get this shindig started. Alright, come on, Stanley. Alright, Scruffy, so here's what we're gonna do. You, of course, work with Ballast contractors. Yes? Well, we're thinking of doing something that will completely direct the attention away. Okay. Well, you know that holiday fest that's coming up for Christmas? Yes. Well, let's really make it snow. I like where this is going. So, you will biff a train into the holiday festival. And that should help call an engine Scrooge. Exactly. Then, every single thing that they have said about us will be forgotten. Okay, so, let's do it. Alright. Come on, Stanley. We gotta find an engine. Alright. See you later, Scruffy. Hey, who should we get? I do not know. Wait. How about derailing Dan? Ha, I like where you're going. He's always gonna fall off the rails. Let's just hope he doesn't do it before Scruffy plows him into the holiday festival. Ha ha! Let's do it. Hey, Dan! Yeah, Vladimir, what? We have something to tell you. Sir Topham Hatt wants you to pull a train of ballast cars. Oh, what a waste of ballast. Oh, come on. No. Come on, Dan. It's Sir Topham Hatt's orders. Well, if it is Sir Topham Hatt's orders, let's just hope he doesn't split the ballast cars. Quiet, you three. Oh, well, so what do you think? Alright, I'll do it. But as soon as I get back on the rails. Alright. Where should I pick up this car? Oh, it's waiting for you at the docks. Okay. I'll go get it. Hey, what's up? I'll have to take you somewhere.